Hey guys, it's Rhonda Brazowick here, and I know I've been talking about these 5-minute reels, so I wanted to come on here today and just show you a little bit of what I'm talking about. So I am in my Canva. As you can see, it has my picture over here. This is my Canva, and this is really exciting because I had jumped on this, and for those of you who have been following me, you know that I also have the other Canva templates that I use by this same creator that I talk about and I post a lot. Some of you have purchased those also. But anyways, since I use those, and now I signed up for these because the value is just crazy, which I'll show you. But anyways, I was chosen to be a beta tester for this. So that's why right here it says 1.0 beta, because even though this hasn't launched yet, it's on pre-sale right now. Since I've been picked as a beta tester, I have been able to test out some of these templates and tweak them, let the creator know what's working, what's not, what needs to be tweaked, stuff like that. So I have been playing in here a little bit, so I wanted to show you some of the things that I've already created. So I've been working on my content. I'll batch some content some days, and I like things to be easy. And I know sometimes this is the one thing I get from people is they will say to me, well, but Rhonda, there's already templates in Canva. Why can't you just use those? Which is true, there are templates in Canva. However, most people that are using the free version, there's very limited templates. And then your posts or reels or graphics end up looking the same as everybody else's. So that's why I like to purchase templates when I find ones that I like and that are able to be branded to myself and also customized. 𝐤𝐬𝐲 does a great job of that, which is why I've purchased her templates in the past and why I now purchase these reel templates, reels, because reels are the thing, guys. Short form video is definitely the way to go. That's what all the platforms are pushing out. Instagram reels, Facebook reels, that's what they're doing. You can even use these for your TikToks if you wanted to. You can use them for multiple things. So I'm just going to show you, right now there's 45 in here, like I said, because I'm beta testing this. So these are some examples that she gives you here to do. And I'm going to scroll down and show you some of the ones that I've made and tweaked for myself. So here's one right here that I've done. I totally tweaked this. I changed it around. I changed some of the coloring. I put my own, as you can see, my own picture, my own name, my own handle, my own little quote in here. So that is one that I did. Now these are reels. So let me see if I click on this. See if I can get it to play for you guys. Give me a second, I haven't. My screen is freezing here, but give me just a second. So I can make this larger, I think. Well, forget it, I'm just gonna scroll through. Okay, there's the little movie thing. So if I hit play, now you can see it's a cute little video in the back, which makes it eye-catching. And she gives you tips, like you can see in some of these, like put a quote here or an inspirational saying. Don't use more than 4 lines so that it's going to fit in that template great. Here's another one that you can totally tweak. And wherever 𝐤𝐬𝐲 has her picture, that's where you can just swap out and put your own picture there. She says, put your name here, put your handle here, whatever you want. She makes it super, super easy. Now, like say for this one, she has a pink background. You can even change that to your own personal brand colors. You can actually change the video in the back if you want to, okay? So let me scroll down because I have done a couple other ones. Give me just a second. Okay, where did it go? It's showing up here, but hold on, give me a second. So you can see, here's another one I did right here. This is a cute little video, and I actually changed this a lot. She had this in her brand colors, and I put my name here. I added this little $sign. I added my little cartoon picture here, the quote, and then she has it all animated. Like I said, it's so easy to do. You just tweak whatever you want to tweak, but she gives you the ideas to make them all your own. So she's got all these super fun, easy to do. Here's another one I did that's for my Facebook group. So I just tweaked this, added my little cartoon figurine down at the bottom too. You could add a picture, whatever you want. I changed these colors to my brand colors again. And I just wanted to show you, like, to take a look at these. There's all different, she's got meme ones that are super funny. So you could switch out the meme if you wanted to. Here's one that I switched around for mine. So this was the meme she had, and I thought it was really cute. So I decided to use the same one. When you find out that the 5-minute Reels toolkit is only $30, and this little meme of the guy laughing, I added my handle in here. Now, if you've been following me, you know I use a daisy a lot. That's part of my branding. So I put a little daisy in the corner here. You can see that. So these are super, super easy to make. They're going to give you all kinds of creative ideas. They're also going to give you, like I said, the tips, like what to put here. You can totally customize these however you want, switch them out. It's always fun being a beta tester. Let me stop the screen share for a minute. All right, so I love being a beta tester because you're the first one in, right? You're the first one using the content and being able to put it out there. And these Reels are the way to go. So if you're not doing Reels, highly recommend, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. You can even get paid now from Instagram and Facebook for their Reels if you're chosen to be in their program. So nobody knows how they're picking people, but they are picking people, and some people are getting paid to make Reels. So that's cool, right? Another way to add another multiple stream of income, which I'm all about. So I hope this helped you see what this is all about. That was only part of it. There's all kinds of bonuses that she's throwing in also. Like I said, these are only $30 right now. They are going to be launched by the end of April, is Kadia's goal. So super fun if you're always like struggling on what to make for Reels or content and you don't really know what to do, or you don't really want to be on camera all the time. I know there's some days when I certainly don't want to be in Canva. And you can go use these memes and these pre-done templates and come up with some really interactive ideas for your templates and for your Reels. So if you'd like them, I will put the link below this video. You can go check out all the bonuses that she is including with this. It's super fun, very engaging, and very high quality. Ǩadia always puts out a great product, which is why I do become an affiliate for them, and you would have that chance to do that too if you'd like them. So anyways, I hope this helped. I hope you to see exactly what I'm talking about with this Reels program, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon.